Have you ever looked at your to do list at the end of the day and thought, I was busy all day, so why does it feel like I accomplished nothing? The problem usually isn't that we have too much to do. The problem is that we start doing things before we decide whether they're worth doing. Today, I'm going to walk you through a real life example using a simple 7 question filter that completely changes the way you approach your tasks. Then, I'll show you the 3 questions that strategic thinkers ask before they commit to anything. But before we begin, grab a notebook, pen, pencil, or open your notes app because I'm going to ask you to participate throughout this video. Don't have a journal? Well, click the link in the description box below to grab your Come Here Do journal. Imagine it's Monday morning. You open your planner and you see this list. Organize your closet, finish a presentation, watch 3 productivity videos, schedule doctor's appointments, scroll Pinterest for inspiration, plan your next month's budget, record your YouTube video. That's a pretty normal list. But here's my question to you. Which one of those tasks actually deserves your attention first? I'll give you a few seconds. See this? Most people start with whatever feels easiest. Strategic people ask questions first. Let's walk through them together. Let's start with organize my closet. It sounds productive, it feels productive, but is it actually one of today's priorities? Well, probably not. Now look at record my YouTube video. If your goal is to grow your business, serve your audience, or reach more people, that's probably the priority. Ask yourself, if I only completed one thing today, what would move my life forward? Circle that one thing. Everything else, it can wait. Now let's look at watch 3 productivity videos. Sounds helpful, but is it helping you move forward or helping you avoid moving forward? Sometimes we convince ourselves we're being productive when we're really procrastinating. Ask yourself, does this task actually need to happen? If the answer is no, cross it off. Not every task deserves your energy. Now, imagine your task simply says, work on business. Oh, what does that even mean? Nothing. It's too vague. Instead, write my YouTube outline. You can write film my introduction. You can also write create today's Pinterest pin. Now your brain knows exactly what to do. Clarity removes resistance. If your task feels overwhelming, make it smaller until it's obvious. Here's one people rarely ask: should I be doing this at all? Maybe someone else can do it or help. Maybe AI can help. Maybe a software can help. Maybe your teenager can help. Maybe it doesn't need to be perfect. Strategic people don't ask, how can I do everything? They ask, should I be doing it in the first place? Don't just ask, how do I get this done? Ask, what's the easiest, effective way? Could you use a template? Reuse something you've already created? Record one video instead of 3. Use a checklist? Thinking smarter saves more time than working harder. Instead of answering emails 5 different times today, answer them once. Instead of recording one video today, maybe you can record 3. Instead of making one Pinterest graphic, create 10. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain pays a cost. Batching helps you stay focused and get more done with less mental energy. Now ask yourself, what would happen without me? Can bills be auto paid? Can emails be scheduled? Can reminders repeat automatically? Can templates save you time? Automation isn't about replacing you, it's about protecting your attention for the things only you can do. Now, here's something interesting. These 7 questions aren't really about productivity, they're about thinking. And that's where most people get stuck. They keep asking the wrong questions. Let's replace them with better ones. Instead of saying, this is going to take forever, ask, how would I make this easier? How could I finish this in half the time? How could I simplify this? How would my future self approach this? Every how opens your mind to possibilities. What if this task isn't actually important? What if saying yes to this means saying no to something better? What if one decision today changes the next 3 months? What if I stop trying to do everything? Now this might be the most powerful question. Instead of asking, how do I figure this out? Ask, who already knows? Who has done this before? Who can teach me? Who can help? Who could complete this faster than I can? Success often comes from asking better people, not just better questions. Before you start another task today, I want you to do something. Take your to do list and run every task through these 7 questions. Then ask yourself how, what if, and who. I think you'll be surprised how many things disappear and how much clearer your priorities become. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the 7 questions do you think will change the way you work the most? Leave it in the comments because I'd love to know. And if you're on a journey to become more intentional, think more strategically, and build a life with purpose, make sure you subscribe. Every week, we explore practical ways to reset your thinking so you can become the woman you're meant to be. I'll see you on the avenue.